Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the door code on your F350. This specific procedure lets you create a new, custom 5-digit code for keyless entry. Before you begin, you must first find your truck's original, factory-set 5-digit code. This factory code is essential and cannot be changed. We will walk through finding that code and then programming your new personal entry sequence. This is the sole method for establishing a new code on your vehicle. The factory code is a unique, permanent 5-digit number for your F350. You will usually find this crucial code on a card or sticker within your vehicle's owner's manual. If it is not there, you can locate the Smart Junction box, which is typically found in the passenger footwell. Look for a white sticker on this box. The 5-digit factory code should be clearly printed there. This code is fundamental for programming any new personal entry codes. With your factory code in hand, begin by pressing that 5-digit sequence into the keypad on your driver's door. Immediately following the factory code, press the 1/2 button. Then, without delay, enter your chosen new 5-digit personal code. Finally, press the 1/2 button again to save and confirm your new code. This action effectively stores your personalized entry sequence, allowing for convenient access to your F350. Once you have programmed your new 5-digit personal code, it is essential to test it right away. Enter your newly set code into the door keypad and confirm that all the doors unlock. If for any reason the doors do not unlock, simply repeat the programming steps from the beginning with extra care. Your old personal codes, if any, will no longer function, so be sure to use your new one. Keep your new code secure and memorized for easy access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.